What the f? Get out! Red light, man, the red light! The red light, huh? Yeah, red light, you could have killed him! You could have killed him, huh?